Why not?
Why not? I don't want to go near a scene of a murder.
Why not?
Because I don't.
You've just been told that this murder occurred within...
A minute from my house.
It would be fair to say 200 yards or 250 yards from your home.
What would I want to walk straight past my house to have a look at a murder for? I might as well go straight home.
You see so many murders every day, don't you? There's no curiosity in your body at all.
No, it was horrible. What do I want to go to a murder scene for? It's none of my business.
That is why you didn't want to go back, because you were there when it happened.
No, I weren't. It's none of my business what went on in there. So what would I want to go around there and poke my nose in there?
And Guy, we understand that Gary Dobson denied knowing his co-defendant, David Norris.
Yes, indeed. Gary Dobson explained that Jamie and Neil Aycourt were his main male friends, that he got on with them well, amongst others. But there was no mention of David Norris, and he repeatedly denied knowing him.
I know a David Norris. I've heard his name mentioned, like just in conversation or whatever. I've not actually met him.
You do realise the seriousness?
Of course. Yeah, of course I do.
Is there anything you want to say at this stage?
I can see what you're saying, but if I did know David Norris, I'd admit to it, but I don't. I know of a David Norris. I don't actually know a David Norris. David's a bit of a common name to patch it up on one.
The night that you were down there, Norris was with you. Norris was in the house with you. You've not mentioned...
No, of course I ain't mentioned the house. I honestly don't know him. I ain't no murderer, and I ain't no racist.
Well, Gary Dobson did know David Norris, and earlier in the trial, the jury was shown a photo of them together on April the 26th, just 4 days after the murder, and they were leaving the Aycourt's house. Now, the prosecution is trying to say, or said that Gary Dobson was trying to distance himself from his co-defendant.
So what happens next in the trial?
Well, the prosecution is expected to end their case tomorrow. The defence will start theirs. They're expected to last about 2 days. Then we'll have the closing speeches. The judge will sum up, and we are unlikely to get a verdict before Christmas.
Guy, from the Old Bailey, thank you.